Sa kay magsugod na tag klase. Class paghilom sa be. Kay karon maghimutag reflection about sa tuang self.
This is Cyrex. Cyrex always falls behind. During exams, his mind shuts down, leaving him with low scores and fading confidence.
Saon eh. Di ba ko kabaluan eh. Isuday.
At home, the pressure only builds. Expectations he can't meet, questions he can't answer. Day after day, he moves through school feeling slower, overwhelmed, and buried by the weight of his own struggles.
Okay, students, class dismissed. Next meeting na nato na i-check ang inyong activities.
Boy! What's up? Sa'yo okay na ka? Taghani, mag-iunaw-unaw eh.
Okay ra ko? Siguro.
Say, pagtarong ba? Do you ever feel lost?
Wala ako kabalo kung kinsa ko. Kung wala ang pressure, expectation, kung akong grado. Ki, ingni daw akong tinood. Nasaag na ba ka sa imong kinabuhi?
Always.
Pangutaan naman good ni Sir ganiha about sa self-reflection. Pero bisag unsaon na ako, wajud mo sulod sa akong utok.
Say, kung nasaag ka, it doesn't mean you're feeling. It means you're still searching.
Good.
And searching means you're growing.
Thank you, kay.
Anong stop makagbilib sa kuha?
Yadlok ako. Yung tanan lisod na kayo. Uban, aktif na kayo. Niya ako. Nakalimot na ko. How to be brave.
Pero bravery dili bas yan sa pagdaog, kundi sa pagtry. Remember, katong nagsayaw ka, bisag di ka kabalo. Katong nagdrawing ka, bisag way nagpakpak. O katong nag-dream ka nga way kahadlok.
Nga naman kasi mo gibuhat.
Oo. Na-realize na ako tanan nga dili di ay na ako kailangan mabalaan tanan sa akong sarili. Pero gusto ko makabalo slowly.
A reminder that the person you are now is still evolving, still growing and becoming amazing. It's okay if it takes time to get where you need to be, because ultimately that progression is what makes life fun. So, have fun with it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Love you, and as always, keep it wholesome. Simon.